Hello everybody and welcome back to Maths Miss Buick. This is the second video on the Moivres Theorem. So in our question we have find 1 plus root 3i all to the power of 9. So we can see here that we've got our complex number in rectangular form and it's a power on it. And when you see a power on it, you know straight away it's going to be in the Moivre. So we have z to the n or n cos n theta plus I sine m theta. So we're going to begin by firstly plotting our complex number and finding it in polar form first. So let's plot our complex number. There is the real and there is the imaginary. Well, we can see here that 1 is positive for the real, so it's from here along this, it's on this axis here, and then root 3 is imaginary, so it's up here. So we know straight away our complex number is in the first quadrant. So let's label here our alpha. Let's go and find our r. So our r is the modulus, so the square root of a squared plus b squared. So we have the square root of 1 to be squared plus root 3 to be squared. Root 4, which of course is 2. So our r value in this question is 2. So let's put a blue box around that. Now we're on to finding out our alpha value. So alpha is equal to tan inverse of b over a. So we have the tan inverse of b, which is root 3 over 1. So we can put that in the calculator, tan inverse of root 3, and we get pi over 3. Now, because our complex number is in the first quadrant, over here our theta is equal to our reference angle alpha. So this is also the value of theta. Now, let's input these values into our polar form. So z is equal to 2 cos pi over 3 plus I sine pi over 3. Now we're told in the question, find 1 plus root 3i to the power of 9. So this means we're now going to transform our polar form expression into the Moivre. So let's do our z to the power of n in our question. Our n is our power of 9. So we have then 2 to the 9 cos 9 pi over 3 plus I sine 9 pi over 3. So that's the 9 is equal to, well, 2 to the power of 9 is 512. Now, in your calculator, you're going to simply type in cos 3 pi. We can see here that 3 divides into 9 3 times. Again, another 3 pi. ZCN is equal to 512. Now, cos of 3 pi, -1. And then sine of 3 pi is 0i. So let's multiply in our 512. So 512 by -1 is minus 512 plus 0i. And we're done.